To give us a quick welcome, I would like to welcome to the stage ECC President Dr. Ariam Sagai.
Well, good evening, everyone. A little bit louder. Good evening. Thank you. That's better. So thank you for being here this evening. I would like to welcome you to our SUNY Erie atrium. Auditorium rather. Atrium is upstairs. But thank you for choosing us. You know, one of the things that we believe at SUNY Erie is not only the success of our students, but how can we also make sure that we are part of the community. And so this is the community, and we want to make sure that we represent our community and have space for our community to be here and engage in this wonderful event tonight. So thank you so much.
My name is Denora Baines. I'm the activities chairperson for the Hispanic Heritage Council of Western New York, alongside my co-chair, Shanna Van Dyne. It is truly an honor to be here with all of you tonight as we gather to celebrate our rich culture, our history and contributions of our Hispanic community. First and foremost, I would like to thank SUNY Erie Community College and their president, Dr. Sagai, for graciously hosting us in this beautiful auditorium. Your support allows us to bring this celebration to life, and we are so grateful to have you as a partner in this important mission. I would also like to take a moment to thank each of you, our community members, our supporters, and our partners. It's because of your unwavering dedication and presence that we are able to continue fostering awareness, understanding, and appreciation of our past, present, and future contributions of the Hispanic community in Western New York. Your support throughout Hispanic Heritage Month and beyond is the fuel that drives us to keep sharing our stories and our culture. Together, we are building stronger communities and more connected future for more generations to come. And your support on the TV will have our QR code if you would like to continue. Your support to the Hispanic Heritage Council and your donations make it possible for us to have these free events for the community and all of the events that we had during Hispanic Heritage Month, and El Día del Niño, where we go to schools and we read to children, and Día del Lenguaje, where we're educating the community on our language and the history of our language, and all the other events and activities that you see that we have throughout the year and our partnerships with these community organizations. I would like to welcome to the stage Assembly Member Jonathan Rivera to present the Los Pleneros de la 21 with a proclamation.
Thank you, Denora, for having me. Thank you, everybody, for being here. It's always a source of pride for me around Hispanic Heritage Month. One, because as a Latino that lives in Western New York, I suffer from the same thing that a lot of people here suffer, which is there is a constant longing to be connected to the place that we call home, let it be us or our parents or our grandparents, while simultaneously attempting with our best efforts to preserve what we have here and chart our new course with our own stories. And part of that is exactly what the work of the Hispanic Heritage Council does, which is preserving both what we've seen and what we've lived through, but also charting a path towards the future ahead of us. We see it in the future home that they'll have on Niagara Street with the Cultural Center, but it's also events like this that not only bring us together, but bring us together surrounding ourselves with our music or our food or our love for one another, and that's what makes us who we are. So thank you for bringing this together, and let's give a round of applause to the Hispanic Heritage Council for all the work that they do. When I was elected, and many of you have heard this before, but there's a small positive update on it, is that when I was elected the first member of the state legislature majority of Latino descent north of New York City. And I thought, as nice as that is, as novel as that is, I also thought, you know, at the time it was 2021, and I thought, you know, it says a lot that it's taken us this far to get here. And who knows when it will happen again. I'm proud to announce that I have another colleague of Latino descent that was elected in Albany, of all places, to the state legislature. And it's reflective, thank you. It's reflective of our people, of where we are. It truly shows that we are everywhere, not just in New York State, but really all over the country. And we are being trusted by people, some of which look nothing like us, don't necessarily share our heritage or our history, but they're trusting us with moving their regions forward. So it's an honor and it's a privilege. It's also that same honor and privilege to be able to present citations like these to folks that come into this region and to share our culture. And with that, I'd like to present this citation to Los Pleneros de la 21. So if you
Thank you, Assemblymember Rivera. One more and we'll start the fun. So tonight, we're thrilled to present the amazing Los Pleneros de la 21, whose vibrant rhythms and energy will transport us to the heart of Puerto Rican culture. Their performance is not only a celebration of our heritage, but also a tribute to the unity and strength of our community. Los Pleneros de la 21 is a renowned musical group and cultural organization from New York City that has played a significant role in preserving and celebrating Puerto Rican musical traditions, specifically Bomba y Plena. Their music reflects the Afro-Puerto Rican culture, blending African rhythms, Spanish influences, and Caribbean elements, creating a unique sound that resonates with the experience of Puerto Rican communities. So thank you for being here, and let's enjoy the incredible performance we have in store for you tonight. Thank you.
Con los pleneros de la 21,
María Antonia,
te traigo plena con sabrosura.
María Antonia,
Ay, pa' que tú lo puedas cantar.
María Antonia,
Ay, María Antonia, ven a bailar.
María Antonia.
amor.
María Antonia,
Ay, por ti lo dejo todo, me voy contigo.
María Antonia,
Ay, María Antonia, Antonia María.
María Antonia,
Ay, dame ese cariñito, mi vida,
María Antonia,
que yo te quiero de por vida.
María Antonia,
Para que veas esta plena de María Antonia María. Y seguimos.